God will supply the power, but you must take the action. In the book of Philippians chapter 2, starting in verse 12, it says, work out your salvation, for it is God who works in you to will, to do, to act. God provides the power, but we must take the action. Just like Nehemiah was building the wall, he orchestrated, he planned, he got people together to do the work that he was assigned to do. God empowers you when you pray, when you ask, when you seek. He will show you the direction, but you have to take the action. It's not just enough to hear the word, but you got to be a doer of this word. I pray this season that God's empowering you. As you take the first step, God's revealing to you. As you take the next step, you're being equipped to do all he called you to do. Take the action, take the step in the name of Jesus.